Hello friends, today we'll study about the basic overview of microscope. Well, 16th century में कंस्ट्रक्ट होने के बाद microscopes have revolutionized science with their ability to magnify small objects such as microbial cells, producing images with definitive structures that are identifiable and characterizable. So basically microscopes क्या होता है? माइक्रोस्कोप्स कुछ ऐसे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं जो साइंस लेबोरेटरीज में यूज़ किए जाएं टू विजुअलाइज वेरी माइन्यूट ऑब्जेक्ट सच एज सेल्स माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म गिविंग अ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग इमेज दैट इज मैग्नीफाइड। माइक्रोस्कोप्स लेंस के बने होते हैं, लेंस ताकि मैग्निफिकेशन में हेल्प हो सके, ईच विद देयर ओन मैग्निफिकेशन पावर्स। डिपेंडिंग ऑन टाइप ऑफ लेंस इट विल मैग्नीफाई द स्पेसिमेन अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स फोकल स्ट्रेंथ. Their ability to function is because they have been constructed with special components that enable them to achieve high magnification levels. They can view very small specimens and distinguish their structural differences. For example, the view of animal and plant cells, viewing of microscopic bacterial cells. Microscopes are generally made up of a structural part for holding and supporting the microscope and its components, and the optical parts which are used for magnification and viewing of the specimen images. This description defines the part of microscope and the function they perform to enable visualization of specimens. So now structural part of microscope and their function. There are three structural parts of microscope, that is head, base and arm. Head, this is also known as the body, and it carries the optical part in the upper part of the microscope. Base माइक्रोस्कोप के सपोर्ट की तरह काम करता है and it also carries the microscopic illuminators. Arm is part connecting the base of the head, base end to the head of the microscope, and the eyepiece tube to the base of the microscope. It gives support to the head of microscope and is also used when carrying the microscope. आर्म्स को ही हाथों से पकड़ के माइक्रोस्कोप को कैरी किया जाता है. Some high quality microscopes have an articulated arm with more than one joint, allowing more movement of the microscopic head for better viewing. Now optical parts of microscope and their function. Microscope के optical parts are generally used to view, magnify and produce an image from a specimen placed on a slide. These parts include eyepiece tube, objective lenses, nose piece, adjustment knobs, stage, aperture, microscopic illuminator, condenser, diaphragm, condenser, focus knob, ape condenser, the rack stop, etc. etc. Eyepiece. Eyepiece, also known as the ocular. This is the part used to look through the microscope. It's found it at the top of the microscope. And इसके जो standard magnification होते हैं वो 10x with an optional eyepiece having magnification of 5x to 30x. X मतलब times, multiple times. Eyepiece tube is the eyepiece holder. It carries the eyepiece just above the objective lens. In some microscopes, such as binoculars, the eyepiece tube is flexible and can be rotated for maximum visualization for variance in distance. For monocular microscopes, they are non-flexible. Objective lenses. These are the major lenses used for specimen visualization. They have magnification power of 40x to 10x. There are about एक से चार ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस जो कि माइक्रोस्कोप के ऊपर प्लेस्ड होते हैं. इन दैट सम आर रेयर फेसिंग एंड अदर फेस फॉरवर्ड्स. Each lens has its own magnification power. Now nose piece. Nose piece, also known as revolving turret. It holds the objective lenses. It is movable, hence it uh, can revolve the objective lenses depending on the magnification power of the lens. The adjustment knobs are the knobs that are used to focus the microscope. They are of two types, that is fine adjustment knobs and the coarse adjustment knobs. Then aperture is a hole on the microscope stage through which the transmitted light from the source reaches the stage. Now, microscopic illuminator is a microscope light source located at the base. It is used instead of a mirror. It captures light from an external source of low voltage of about 100 volts. Yes. Condenser. These are lenses that are used to collect and focus light from the illuminator into the specimen. They are found under the stage next to the diaphragm of the microscope. Now, diaphragm is also known as iris. It found under the stage of the microscope, and its primary role is to control the amount of light that reaches the specimen. It's an adjustable apparatus, hence controlling the light intensity and the size of the beam uh, beam of light that gets to the specimen. Yes, that's it. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, ट्राई करेंगे कि और बेहतर तरीके से समझने और समझाने की कोशिश की जाए। थैंक यू।